He's doing well. Beautiful sunny day here in Vancouver. I've got 2 boxes today. Oh. And it's not a very big unboxing today. It's not, yeah, we just how it goes the odd week, you know what I mean? Anyway, but we'll see what's inside. So if you're joining me for unboxing for the first time, what it is the dolls and the clothes are made over on Vancouver Island. Well, most of them are anyway. And then I get them back over here and I unbox them and I see what's inside. So it's always a little bit of a, it's like a big surprise for me too. So, because sometimes I don't know what's coming. It just comes. I see what the ladies are making over on the island and then we look and see what's inside. So let's open these up. Okay. Oh, I know a little bit, like, if I seem a bit weird, I'm a little bit off. I just got an email from a customer that I forgot to put freckles on their dolls. Oh, you guys, these things make my stomach hurt. Like, when things like this happen, I guess I would read the email and I didn't write it down. I get like sick feeling. I'm such a, I know, I just made a mistake. But like, I don't know if you guys understand what I'm talking about, but I'm just like, oh gosh. Anyway, so let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh. Audrey delivered here. Holy guacamole. Look at all these purses. Isn't this great? So these are little purses. And I think that the brown cord and the pinky cord are like the best purses because that just goes with everything. Right? So these are purses that we put on most of our little friends. Sometimes if they're wearing overalls, I don't put purses because it's just like, there's like the patch it's too much action happening. But anyway, we usually do add some purses. So let's see what I've got here. Oh, I've got some shoes, some Mary Jane shoes that Sarah's worked on in all these different colors. So Sarah is our little cobbler, our doll cobbler. And she's made some shoes. So these are good for us to dress with. These ones, very difficult to use. But when you do find the match to this kind of pink, it's like perfect. But so, you know, it's like red shoes. Like sometimes we get red shoes and it's like, we'll have them for months and months. But then when we find the perfect match, it's like amazing. The best one we ever had was a yellow shoe. We got yellow shoes made for some reason. And we had them for like literally like 2 years. But then we had a yellow dress and we had the yellow shoe to match. And it was like, oh, the matching was so good. So it's always fun to get all these different shoes in. Oh, and then I got Pico shoes. Holy, so many shoes. So exciting. And then I got, even more, holy cow, even more pantaloons. I got a big batch of pantaloons like last week too, so we're set for pantaloons. And I got some Forever Friend pantaloons and some t-shirts and some boots. These are for, I think they're for sitting friends. Yep. Got some boots, and then here's some Forever Friends. So I've got this beautiful one here, and this, oh my god, look at this one, gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Isn't that spectacular? Beautiful. I won't have very many Forever Friends up this week because I actually don't have the clothes. Well, I have some clothes, but not a lot of clothes for them. I thought I was getting them this week, but they'll be here next week. So next week I'll have quite a few Forever Friends up on the site because I know a couple people were asking about when the more Forever Friends were coming, so they will be coming soon. So there's this beautiful ginger here, sitting friend. Oh my gosh, love her. Oh, and she's got little pinks, and she's gonna have Bob, and she's mocha with pink. Can you not just see the freckles? So pretty, beautiful. And then this blue girl, oh my gosh, on the mocha. There's a lot of mocha coming this week. And chocolate and honey, a couple honey, or mocha Ellie, I'm not sure which one. They're going to be coming up this week, which is very nice. And then I've got this beautiful all dried girl. And this beautiful blondie with her, isn't that such pretty handspun? Look at how pretty this is. It's so nice. So nice. All right, so we've got this girl and this girl. And this beautiful girl. Gorgeous. So nice. And then, so I'll have a lot of sitting friends this week. Oh, and then this beautiful, beautiful girl with her all dreads. I think I might do a little video about dreads and how, like, dreads, I know I've said this before, but dreads is really like the very best. Like, if your kid is into like carrying the dolls around like this and is a little bit more of a rougher on the dolls, you know, or if, I don't know, like all the hair is sewn in so beautifully well, but if you're worried about things, like the dreads are just amazing, like completely indestructible. They're so good. Okay, so, and it's like the dreads are kind of the hair I've been using really the longest. Like, once I found that yarn, I've never let it go. I've been using it for over 20 years. It's so nice. And like the mixed hair too, you know, like the mix with the mohair and the wool. I've always mixed the doll hair because I liked all the different textures and stuff. Oh, look at here, look at that. Oh my gosh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at this. Look at all these pocket dolls. Wow. Amazing pocket doll situation. Look at this. Oh my gosh, and they're all different kinds of interesting fabrics. Huh. Well, that's cool. Okay, so yeah, lots and lots here. So I will be putting these up in a couple weeks. So we won't have, we're a bit, something's happened and I'm a little bit behind in clothing. So I feel like this week I would have normally gotten a big clothing upload. I haven't had a big clothing upload. I haven't had big clothing come in for quite some time. So I'm supposed to get it next week. So that means that the clothing upload won't be for a couple more weeks. And when I do the clothing upload, these will be there. So I'm put these in like little groups of 3 and then we'll put them in because everybody needs pocket dolls. Look at them. They're so cute. They're so cute. And I'll put them in batches in 3s, and then any of the extra leftovers I have, I was thinking I want to bring back let's find a pocket doll. Like, I found a pocket doll. You know, that one that like I hide them or give you guys them for them to hide, and then maybe random people will find them. I found a bamboletta. I did that for a little while. I think I only got like 2 people saying that they found a bamboletta. It was a little bit disappointing. And then I didn't really have many pocket dolls left, so I'm going to, now I've got lots. So we'll bring that back. Anyway, okay, let's see what, oh my gosh, more Forever Friends. So many amazing Forever Friends and no clothes. Okay, I'm just like, ah. And I've got gorgeous Forever Friends here. So next week is gonna be off the charts Forever Friends. I'm telling you, because I'll have the clothes then and then I can actually dress them. But there'll be some today, or this week, but just not as many. Anyway, but look at this. Look, so beautiful. And let's see what else. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Oh God, this Forever Friends is killing me. They're so beautiful. Oh, and then this one. This is a boy, and I think I do, you know what? We have that, like, remember, I'll have to see if I have pants though. The tie, the little shirt I got with the tie, so I can make this a boy with a shirt and tie, but we'll see. It's all subject to change. And then this beautiful, oh my God, it's all Forever Friends today. Yeah, it's all Forever Friends, guys. and some socks, which is great. Okay, and then this is just stuff for Bridget. Okay, so that's what I've got going on this week. Yeah, so I have lots of little friends and some little buddies and stuff here to work on. So this week will be a bit of a small week. It'll be a smaller week just because I don't have clothes. And yeah, so I'm gonna get that all together. It'll be nice to have a little bit of a quieter week because it'll let me get caught up on a bit of stuff. So anyway, thank you so much. You're my friends. Thank you for watching. Thank